What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at 29 grits with butter and molasses. This was one of my first GECs, and I've kept it around because it's super nice. The action, people say it's a little light. I guess you could consider it that. I think it's, maybe. And then you got to remember always open that before these. This has a forget what it's called. An aug? Whatever it is. It's for puncturing and making holes and things. And then this is obviously a sheep's foot blade. This is a nice little clip. I like this piece a lot. I don't really carry it nearly as much as I should because I don't carry GECs really all that much, but a few users. But if you ever get a chance to check this out, I'd think about it. I like the fancy acrylics though. Obviously, if you don't like the acrylics, you're not really going to be so in love with this. Pretty neat stuff. It's got a, I don't know if that's a hot dog shield or a bar shield. I'm not really sure. I really like the contrast of the, what is it, grits with butter and molasses, between the butter and the molasses, I guess. Super cool piece. If you like this kind of stuff, I would urge you to subscribe, like, comment. I do this kind of content quite a bit. That's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye now.